Hello everyone, Michelle here with the Bondurant Community Library. Registration for the 2021 Summer Reading Program is underway, and we wanted to help you register for the program in our online portal, Wandoo Reader. This is a video about how to get started creating an account and logging in the Family Management Portal. There is a second video about single users registration, which you can take a look at from our YouTube page. Right now, we're going to go ahead and get started showing you how to get going in the Family Management Portal. The first thing you'll want to do is get to the library's website. And the easiest way to do that is through the city's website, cityofbondurant.com. Hover over Services and then go down and click on Library. And this takes you to the library's website. Here you'll want to hover over Services and go down. You'll see Summer Reading Program 2021. And when you click on that, that takes you to the general information page for the Summer Reading Program. You'll have a link to Wandoo Reader here, as well as here. There is also a downloadable reading log, so if you don't want to use the online portal of Wandoo Reader, you can certainly use the paper tracker. Just come to the library to get registered. There's also some helpful hints about Wandoo Reader. And then all the way to the bottom, you'll see our June schedule of events, as well as the July schedule of events. So let's go ahead and get started with that Family Management Portal of Wandoo Reader. Click on the link to take us to Wandoo Reader. This is the landing page, and you will see that this is the single user login. And like I said, there's another video showing you how to get started if you're just a single user. Underneath that box, you'll see Enter Family Management Portal. And this is where we're going to go. Once you click on that, it will take you to the Family Management Portal. If you used Wandoo Reader's Family Management Portal in the past for last summer reading program, then all you have to do is log in. You would use your email address, and I'm going to go ahead and put my email address because I do have a family management account. And click login. And then you're logged into your family. Here's my account owner. This is me. I'm the account owner. And then I have a family member, and then I have myself in here a couple times because I've added myself several times for demonstration purposes. But once you're logged in, then you can actually add family members to your family account. And you do that over here on this button, Add New Member. So let's go ahead and add a new member to our family here. And here we are where we can add a new user. This is the drop-down menu where you'll want to select the 2021 Summer Reading Program. And then you just complete all of the information. So let's add a person to our family. His name will be Harry Potter, his username, and then I'm going to use my email because I don't know Harry's email address. And then I'm going to give him a password. And then this select difficulty, Wandoo Reader has a gamification to the portal. So children or even adults, I'm not going to discriminate, can kind of play a game as you go through the program. And if you would like to do that, you can certainly do that. And there's different difficulties for those. I'm just going to default for easy for Harry. And then we're going to decide what grade he's in and indicate what grade he's in and his school. let's say he's in a private school. And then we're Bondurant Community Library. So apparently my passwords didn't match. So let's try to do that again. Okay. And once you complete all of that, you should be able to hit submit. And that username's already been taken. So now we have to add maybe an exclamation point at the end. And it looks like we have a new user under my family for Harry Potter. So now let's say we'll go ahead and log out of my family portal. And let's say you've never used Wandoo Reader or the family portal and you'd like to create one. Here on this family portal login page, you will click join here. And you're going to register. So let's create an account for Mr. Clark Kent. I'm going to use my email address again. I don't know if that's going to work though. We'll try. And a password is going to be set up, and that's going to be, okay, see if I can register. I don't know if I can because of my email address. Yeah. So we're going to do, okay, we're going to do another library employee. And password, and see if I can get Mr. Kent registered. So this is going to say an email has been sent to that email address, and they're going to click on the link in the email to activate the account. And that's all you have to do to get that account set up. Now, once your account is set up, then you're going to log back in, and it's going to look like exactly like we had it before. But since my coworker hasn't probably activated that account, I'm going to go ahead and log back into mine so I can show you one other feature. Actually, a couple other features in here in the family management portal. Okay, so remember we have my account owner, and then I have a family member, and Harry I added as my family member as well. So if you want to keep adding, let's say you have 4 children or 4 grandchildren or 6 kids in your daycare center, and you want to add all of them, you would just do that. You can actually also link an existing user. So let's say you didn't realize there was a family management portal and you registered your oldest child as a single user. Well, now you've realized, hey, I would rather use the family management portal. Go ahead and create your account and then link an existing user as long as you know their username and their password. So I'm going to see if I can link Mr. Captain Underpants to my family. I know his username and his password, and we'll submit, and he has been linked successfully. So if you've created a single user and you'd like to link them to your family, you just need to know their username and their password. Now let's go back to my family. And you'll see me as the account owner, family member, there's Harry, and there's Captain Underpants. They're all in my family. And let's say we would have a family member who is not registered. Okay, they're all registered. Let's see if this family member is registered. But if you have a family member who is not registered, then you would be able to do so as well. So as long as you can pull up your family member that you've added to your family portal and their program list 2021 reading program, then they are registered for the program. And there is also a registered button, and that actually takes you to the same thing. So you can do that a couple of different ways. And once again, once you get everyone registered, you would come to the library to pick up your registration packet. Also, just another note, if you're a parent, grandparent, or guardian, or a daycare provider and you set up the family management account, that does not automatically register you for the program. So remember, adults and all ages can participate in our summer reading program. So if you want to participate as well, you actually have to add yourself, register yourself for the program. Just creating the account doesn't actually register you for the summer reading program. It just creates that account. Because, believe it or not, we do have parents that want to register their children, but they don't actually want to participate. So if you are going to participate, which we definitely encourage you to do, register yourself for the program. So you're basically adding yourself to your family, to your family list. And like I said, once you're all registered, come to the library to pick up your registration packet. And then each week that all of your family members or any of your family members meet their reading goal, which is completely set by you and the patron, then come to the library to get that week's badge. Anyone 5th grade and under will get a weekly prize, and everyone is automatically entered into a random weekly drawing as well as the grand prize drawing. Please call the library if you have any questions. We're happy to help. 967-4790. Thank you.